What is going on, everybody? Joe here. I just got done doing a subframe bolt upgrade kit from Eagle Manufacturing. The kit comes with two bits. Start with the smaller one, use the bigger one, drill through. I got done with it. I didn't do a film when I was doing it, kind of a pain in the butt. You got to remove your tank, best way to do it. Since I have the Tusk crash bars, there is two separate kits for this subframe bolt upgrade kit. There's one with the SW Motec and Tusk crash bars and one without. The one with has a longer bolt straight through, and then these are upgraded as well. These are your bottom subframe bolts with a washer. So they're really easy to do. I cheated a little bit. I didn't end up taking my crash bars off because I didn't need to. Took the tank off, obviously, because I have to get under here, and I didn't even want to lift it up because that would have been a big pain. Took the seat, side covers, panniers just to get at stuff, and then I used the jack to lift it up. So the kit was pretty straightforward. Like I said, it drilled through with the smaller one first, and then with the bigger bit. Lots of drill lube. Better if you have a corded drill. I did use a cordless. Didn't have enough ass in its pants at times, but we got through. And keep it level. Keep it level and drill through. And it worked out really well. But it's that straight bolt. Has a prevailing torque nut on the other side. I think you can see underneath. I don't think you can see. I don't have enough light there. But that was the latest for the KLR. A couple things getting more in depth from the last video. The jet kit. There Eagle Mike jet kit. Like I said, it comes with the KLX needle. I was explaining to you guys last time. Comes with the KLX needle. See the camera focus there. So it lets you know for the idle mix screw as well. There's a little plug in the bottom of your carburetor, and there's a lot of how-tos on there. A lot of guys have been over this. There's a little plug under there you drill out with a small bit, and it tells you what size bit you need. Drill that out, and then you can get to your idle mixture screw. They come real lean from factory, like most bikes do. But world of difference with the new jet kit and the new needle, which has multiple settings on it for if you have different elevation, richening, if you do different modifications to your bike. Like I said, all I have is, and I can actually see it now, is the Lex MX exhaust. It's nice. I kept the spark arrestor in. I don't want it too loud. Shinko E804 and 805s. 805 in the back. 804 up front here. My screen shut off. 804 up front. But, yep. That's it. That's the latest and greatest with the KLR. Again, loving the Chrono Parts items that I picked up. And that was it. Make sure, one big thing, make sure you take the back boot off the carburetor. When you're lowering down this back, your back swing arm, excuse me, not swing arm, your rear subframe, you're lowering it down, it comes away from the pivot point, and loosen up the boot for the carburetor so it can have room to slide out and cover the, it even tells you in the instructions, cover that up so you don't get metal shavings in there. Afterwards, I went through, vacuumed everything up with a shop vac, and as well as just take a blowgun, any metal shavings you got around your bike, so they don't end up anywhere you don't want them to be. And that's about it. Until the next video, guys. Hopefully get some riding in soon. Right now it's snowing, or there's snow on the ground. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.